Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to recover your deleted messages in Telegram. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Telegram application. Now once you have logged into your Telegram account, you just need to click on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Here you will see an option, click on saved messages, click on it, and in this option this is your cloud storage of Telegram. If you have any important private chats, you just need to send that particular chats here, such as forwarded messages here to save them, send media and files to store them, access this chat from any device. So this chat will be worked as in cloud storage, and if you lost your Telegram messages, can recover your deleted messages from here, and that's how you can recover your deleted messages in Telegram application. And that's it. Now you know how to recover your deleted messages in Telegram. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.